Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can create a channel on WhatsApp, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a channel on WhatsApp easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to web.whatsapp.com. You're going to sign your account in by scanning the QR code on here with your phone. And then you're going to come here and click onto this channels button at the top left corner of the page. You're going to click onto this button then that says create channel. You're going to click on continue on here. You're going to name the channel whatever you want. You're going to write the channel description. You can also add a channel icon. After that, you're going to click on create channel here. And there you have it. You have successfully created a channel on WhatsApp. So that's it guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.